The backyard. When I moved here, it was nothing more than a footnote. A place where you hang clothes to dry. But I knew it had potential, that I could transform it into something special. And that's exactly what I did. Can't wait to share everything. I shared the result on social media, and to my biggest surprise, it went viral. I got so many comments asking me to share how I did it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And remember, if you can dream it, you can build it. Hi, my name is Aki, and I'm so excited to finally be able to share with you my backyard makeover. If you want to know more, I also did a step-by-step guide on my website where you can also find the Builders Club merch. This is one piece and I love it. I'm really proud about it. Okay, enough talking, let's start building. My plan is pretty simple. I want to build a pathway that will lead to a shower head. The first step is to install the garden edging. I've used a shovel and a garden edger to do it. The second step is to place the landscape fabric. I would recommend to buy the best quality that you can find. Mine was pretty cheap and I paid a price now. After that is the time to lay down some sand and make it as level as possible using a wood stick. Then place all the stepping stones and measure the space between each other. I also used sand and a level to make sure that they were not shaky. The most satisfying step by far, lay down the pebbles. Don't be stressed if there's sand everywhere. It's really easy to wash off with the hose. And the last step is to install the wall-mounted shower kit to the wall. And just like that, you have a shower running. The plan is to build a lounge area where we can sit and a kitchen area where we can cook.
got to lose.
My goal is to finish the first layer today, first thing, so it can dry. And after that, I'm gonna complete the second layer and try to do the third layer. But I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but that's the plans for today. So yesterday was a very big day. I'm almost done with the structure. I need to finish the back and the arms of the couch. So today that's what I'm gonna start with, and after that I'm gonna mix some cement to fill all the holes that are not filled yet, and after that I'm gonna do the coating, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be today, but it will be the next step. So I'm really excited because I have some friends over to my house and they proposed to help me with the project. So today we're planning on starting the quoting on the couch part, and after that working on the structure of the outdoor kitchen counter. So hopefully works well. Let's go.
Since yesterday, everything around me seemed to change. I got caught in the rain, I got shortchanged on back in line at the bank. Guess it's all the same when the sun goes down. I'll try another thing if it don't work out. Take a trip west if it all goes south. Yeah, yeah.
We're almost done for today, and my neighbor just gave me golden apple juice. It's so good. She explained me how she do it. She peel the skin and blend it with water and sugar. That's it, and add some ginger, and it's gorgeous. I love it. So yesterday we did a lot of jobs. We started to do the coating on the couch part, and it went well. No cracks this morning, so I think the mix was good. It was a mix, 3 parts of sand for 1 of cement. We'll try to do the sitting part today, and I think I'm gonna be able to be done with the counter part. Gabe is going to the store right now to buy the barbecue that I'm very excited about. So I'm gonna do that today and hopefully be able to finish the garden tomorrow, I think. Today when we were doing the mix for the finished quote, we had a problem where we had some rocks in the sand. So I'm gonna try something. I don't have the good equipment, I know, but I have a screen like that, and I'm gonna try to string the sand so it doesn't have the rocks, because it's a pain to do the finished quote with some pebbles. Oh, it worked! I could see it could bring
What's the plan?
Take it out of the box.
Me, Bob the Builder. I don't know what to do with this.
On that day, I've worked so hard to finish the kitchen structure. It was by far the most challenging part of the old project. I was trying to find a way to build a niche at the back to hide the gas tank. And remember that I have no experience as a mason. I finally found a way to make it happen. But let me tell you, I'm not sure I could do it again. I literally worked until the sun went down and I used a frontal lamp to finish the work. But we got the chance to enjoy a very nice meal with our friends the same night.
Phil.
So I have something to fix here. The thing is, I have the pebbles that come down when the rain is falling, and I try at first to put a retainer like that, but with the pressure of the water in the rocks, all the rocks were coming out. So what I'm thinking is to do a retainer wall with some cement. So I think I'm gonna have to do a mold and do something to go that way, doing an L shape like that to retain all the pebbles and being clean finish. That project was very experimental. We've used some cardboard box to do a mold. Then we mixed some cement with water and pour it into the mold. We retained everything with cement block and seriously we hope for the best. As you can see, I'm very excited to take it off. Was not perfect. I had to patch some imperfection with some cement, but at the end, it looks pretty nice. In the next video, I want to bring you with me in the making of my crazy paving floor. I'm going to show you every step that I made to achieve that beautiful result. I will also finish the space with a beautiful garden bed. So to make sure you don't miss it, click that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you have any question, feel free to write it down in the comment section and I'm gonna answer you with pleasure.